Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my environment, then I play one round of my game, and after that I decide what I work on today. First, wait for the terminal. One command to start stuff. Wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. I wanted to see what it takes to publish a game of itch.io, if I should put my game there. Because I feel like I reached the point where I will take a break from this project. One more line. Maybe bug fixes will be still something, small improvements, but who knows? Okay, local once in the browser, local lost for me. You will start fresh. And let's play something which I didn't play in a long time. Tamer? Tamer is the one I might have forgotten. Let's try Tamer. I think I like to disconnect. You. Oh. Okay, it's at least. Okay, this is the important part. Breath. I think breath for slow is the most important, or is when I absolutely want to have. The next I want boomerang is good single target, and another boomerang is maybe it's too much. Dash is good amplifier. I think this is a good combination. So the dasher I can make fat. I can increase, and I don't remember. No, I want release you. Okay, this is my setup. I don't remember. Boomerang. Do I need to feed him? I think feed makes stronger, but he's slower. Okay. Oh, can I? Come. Maybe too much. I am still decent in time, I believe. Come. Let me. No, again. Range eats less. This is helpful. Slow and happy one is also, but slow I can take once and I'm happy, so let's go range. Stacking damage, shorter leash, this is fine. Wait. Okay, dash. I don't need fire line, root could help. Never get fat. Loves food. They are all stupid. An attack never gets fat. I'm still not sure. Me. I mean, I'm slowed by this, so I can fatten him up a bit. Let me... Next boss. Okay, still dies fast. Think again. Never gets fed. Absolutely not. Needs more love. It's fine. So 3 definitely. Never gets fed and fires. I think fire speed is the one I want to go. Wants to stay slim, longer leash. I think I take a root. The only downside is I don't think this is a winning combination, but I will see. No, you. Next, okay, next boss is Ink. This is an easy one. Now again, wants to stay slim. This is fine. That needs to slow. Eats less, but more fire speed is fine. Very hungry, gets fed easily. I think this is perfect. Okay. Dasher now. So this, if I don't get overwhelmed by enemies, this might be fine. Okay. I'm a bit slow, but this is the usual stuff. I need to pull my West guy. Slow stuff. Oh. Oops. Slow. Okay, I pause again. I want more range. Gets fed easily. Is fine. It takes the range. Was can get fed easily? No. Wait. I think he will be stronger, so I make it. And longer leash. Fireline I don't need. Okay, this seems to be what I want. So close. Wasn't a dangerous one. And if I make him bigger, also it's a strategy of. Oh, this is the most dangerous one. Slow him, please. Done. Shorter leash range, this is what I want. Fire speed. Pounds longer leash, I don't care. Happy one, fire speed I take. Damage taken, happy one I take. Okay. So, did I? No, I cannot. Didn't. So currently, I'm actually not sure who does the most damage. Let's look for a moment. Damage meter. Wes is doing it. Really? I'm confused, but... So Wes is stronger than expected. Oops, no. Kill him. Survived. Next, so I reach the boss. Never get fat. Another slow explode. If my Buessa never gets fat, it's easier to pull. For the king, it might be fine because he doesn't block so much. I try. I lose range and damage, but he's not the strongest. Never get fat on Dasher. No, never get fat on Boomerang. I think speed is more important. Very hungry. But I want to fill him up. Dash Fireline needs less. Fireline needs more love. Also fine. Okay. Let's see. You are... Let's go here. Short check. I want to feed all up, I believe. I need to give you feed. Okay. Okay, who did the damage? I will see at the end here. Boomerang did it, and the damage taken increase. Okay. But this was one round. Anything else I want to check? Finished achievements. I did okay. Now I wanted to check itch.io out. I never used it. Itch.io. Download even. Login, register, upload game. What is behind here? Create a custom page to instantly distribute or sell your indie game. Even sell, interesting. Your indie game online for free. Upload your game files and screenshots to all to one place. Create a custom landing page where your game is focused. Name price for your game, giving fans when you pay what they want you. Create an account now. Host your game along your game screenshot and other downloads. Your downloads are always available and always fast. Design your game page. Create a custom pixel color font, blah blah blah. Track your game. Flash, Unity, Java, HTML5. Make money from your browser. Game is embedded in the browser and players can donate any amount if they want to love the game. Interesting. What's the sale? What else? Maybe a video HIO publish game tutorial. Just one. This might be what I want. 3 minutes seems like what I want. I have to watch a bit of advertisement first.
Hey there, welcome to another tutorial from Odyssey Frontiers. I'm Caleb, the one-man team behind the studio and all the projects under it, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of uploading your game to itch.io using their traditional in-browser upload feature. First, we start out at our game engine, where we need to first build out the game. I'm going to use Unity to build my game for this video.
I don't have a Unity build, I will see if HTML5 works.
Tutorial on building your Unity game, click the info tab in the top right corner of the screen. I encourage you to pause this video, watch that one, and then come right back to start uploading to itch.io. This is a very valuable step in the process that you need to do in any case if you haven't already done. So after we build our game, we're going to head over to itch.io. Open your web browser, go to itch.io, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to the top right drop-down arrow, and you're going to click Upload New Project under the Create tab. So in there, this will bring you to a web page where you can input all of the different data about your game, whether it's the title, the type, the URL, which will actually autofill when you put in the title, and
you have a zip or HTML file that will be played in the browser. HTML file? Everything in one file? Well, it's possible. Maybe zip is more my case. I will learn, I guess.
With any additional information about it, along with pictures and everything. I'm not going over all of that today, just how you can upload it. So first things first, before you upload, you need to make sure that you have a title put in place as well as a URL. And also make sure you select whether it is a downloadable file or an HTML. That will depend on how your game is played, whether it's in browser or just downloadable for Windows or Mac or Linux. So then we're going to scroll down here to the Uploads tab. You can click Upload Files, and then so there actually are two different types of doing this. There is the traditional Upload Files button method that I'm going to be talking to you about today, and I'm also going to be coming out with a later video on how to use itch.io's Butler tool, which is a command prompt-based system that automates the process and adds in different support for different version control. Before we upload our files, we need to compress everything to a zip file. So we're going to highlight all of the files in our folder that we built, and we're going to right-click and compress them to a zip file. After we do that, we can go back to the itch.io page, and we can click Upload Files and upload that zip file that we just created. So after this, after you upload the file, then you can select whether it is for Windows, Mac, or Linux, or if you want it to be something that is played in browser, you can select that option as well. Just make sure that you have HTML selected as the file type. So after that, you just set the visibility and access options according to your preference. You can keep your game public, private, or unlisted, but make sure that if you want others to see it, that you list it to public. And then when you're done, click Save in vPage. And after that, your game should be done, and it should be uploaded and ready to go. Congratulations on uploading your game. If you found
okay, costs nothing, so I will create an account of Stream. And then I can log in. One moment. itch.io. I don't remember my. Or can I do it on stream? I will see. I have to check. Password, your email address, success. I'm interested in discipline. I think for a moment. My password is not visible if I put it in. So technically I can do it on stream. My email address I use is probably so I can probably do it on stream. So I'm just interested in itch.io. I want to register. I have somewhere my email address. No. This one, was it? How was my... I'm with a Y here. Why not? Password. It should not be visible. Nope. Anything I care about, GitHub. My Infinity. All fine. Deploy failed 125. Okay, this is a year past, so nothing important. Password. Are there any? But my email address is behind it. So nothing to remember. Don't even remember my... It doesn't matter. Sign me up. Anything I need? Just the password. I need a password. Think of one. Yeah. I have... I will forget it no matter. And okay, this is hopefully long enough. Can copy it in. I don't want a newsletter. I might forget my password. Okay. Oh, there's one. Wait. Let's do it this way. Create account. No thanks. Create a new project. Title Helmy's game. It's the Y, so Helmy's game. Is it? I think it's Helmy's game. Helmy's game. React URL, I don't care. Show description or tagline. Show when we link your project over doing. Short description. No payments or donate. Interesting. Can I change this later? What is... But where is he donated to? Does he donate to? I don't put any payment info in. It's not to my real name, so... So I'm game. I'm HTML. Release in development on hold. Cancel prototype. No. Well, on hold is technically. Write a zip file containing a game. In the zip or upload a HTML file. Oh, upload a zip file containing a game. There must be an in zip. So I need a build which has no multiplayer, I believe. File size limit 1 GB. Can I, if you need more space. So I should probably make a single player branch. And I could decide to disable cheats. Well, it's an HTML file. I could just hide it and people who are interested can find out they can cheat, I guess. So this would be the easiest thing. Okay, so I have a task. Make a single player build. Anything else? Remove tests and cheat. Menu not remove but hide. I need disable hide multiplayer. Hide multiplayer. Hide disable. Disable. Anything else? I forgot. I have multiplayer here. I think this is fine. I don't have any other thing in mind. Embedded options. Embedded page. Full screen. No. Unity HTML only autodict manual set. It can be both. It should be 100%. Can I not do percentages? I can probably just try it out. I had some. If I can put. What is the most fitting node on the action? Could be. The mobile playing shooter simulation spots. Yeah, action is the most fitting one, I guess. Tags. Roguelite, I never remember what it is. It's action 2D. It is currently single player. Wait. Is there multiplayer possibility? I don't remember 2D. Anything else? Retro, romance, indie. Oh, I'm indie. Why not? Simulation platformer. Narrative message strategy table. Kate, not really. Also not cozy. Mosaic space, monsters, dungeon crawler, something in. So we aren't on. Difficult. Wow, it is procedural in a sense. But I think we're playing action 2D indie. This is fitting, I hope. Is this close of the project content produced by No. Oh. All my poor own art. Custom noun. You can change how HA refers to your project. Custom noun. Leave blank to folder game. Okay, build a community. Discussion board, add a dedicated community page with categories. Interesting. For now, I am interested in draft or only those who can edit the project can view the page. Okay. So me, this is fine. Details. This I need frame options. Mobile friendly. While it has, it's not full screen button. Add a button to make it full screen. Enable scroll bars. No, thank you. Now, when I put in what I use here, what is the height and width? Document. I don't know. I get it here easier. Game CTX. Canvas width 1848 and height is currently reduced. I mean, this is not what what confuses me. I could put in a default resolution, but the browser always takes up a bit of space and I don't want to scroll. Let's just throw in some value. What is the normal? 1080 is normally. So let's throw this in for now. But I need the upload file thingy. Don't need this description yet, because I am mostly interested how it looks. Cover image. Cover image is used whenever HA wants to link to your project from another part of the site. Required minimum requirement 630 times 500. Let's start with this GIMP. Don't think I have one yet. So it would be, let's make let's take the sniper. Let's stay here. I can let's make it bigger and I will see. I captured the screen. It's still starting? Really? Close. New. What did the site say? You don't have payments if you set a minimum price above, no one will be able to know about it. Okay, I don't care. 630,500. 630,500. 630,500. Put it in. Move it. No. Move it. I should have the title in it. Let's go. Maybe here. It's in the experience bar. Don't have it if I just dive out. This might be fine. It's still early access. I can remove this. Move earliest access. So I'm mostly interested in. I want this part. I lose the Y. And also I can probably just use text. Move. How do I move? Here. Let's move in a sense. I have bold. What? This bold I didn't. Probably still room to go. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I think is the text I use. Did it change to Arial? I hope. This is. I can set. What is this? I have to. Something is happening. Hey. Both is 0. But it affects it. Interesting. I think this looks normal. But it still feels. Oops, not what I wanted. I mean, here I have the outline. But I probably. Let's turn earliest. I can remove this one. I could. Think again. I think I can just. No, I didn't want the experience bar. It might be a good place. Okay, I'm an idiot. I didn't reload. Also, what I should do is 4, 4, 3. Unsaved. I didn't save this one. Reload. But let's. I think there's space. Here, this might fit. Let's try. I think this is a button. Let's delete this. Let's undo. Okay, now it's gone. Now, please. Also too small. Maybe make a new one. Undo here. Put there. Can I? If I want to have a bigger one without a background, I should probably just paint it. Let's make it small. The bigger I can easier scale in the end. And game title. Where do I paint it? Take this one. I have no idea, and return. So you should still build it, I believe. Oh, I need to paint it. What is this? Middle X80. 80 is the Y, I believe. Okay, I can't see the outlines this way. I wanted the outline. So I need CTX fill rect LaTeX fill style. It's too black. It's easy to do. Fill rect 0 0 CT LaTeX canvas width canvas height. Okay, this is what I wanted. Now copy. Yeah, take it away, put it in, doesn't fit. So it's already too big. Is this a layer? Stack, merge, new, scale layer. It's this one. This is 630, was it? Okay, now nearly. Is down or up the correct one? Down. Maybe this wasn't the right. Oops. Does this work out? Not perfect. But no, I even want an alpha channel. So I should be able to... Oh, wait. Main background doesn't have alpha channel, I believe. Ah, okay. Just try, I guess. I copied nothing. Give me... I want to move it. Low effort. Make it green in the background. It probably is a bit more accurate. No, let's do one more. Green. It's a different green. Is it more light green or something? Does this exist? Maybe. Tick. I already remember I was too big. Let's delete. Put this in layer scale to 630. Can I not press it? Yeah, I can. Move. Again. Down, move. Oh, I'm confused. Oh, I cut away the white. Okay, this might be good enough. Check. Copy over. Oops, wait, delete this one first. Copy this in, move it. This might be fine. Let's take it. Save as in game dev. This is not part of public. It's also not part of source. New folder name. Think for a second. This is HIO stuff. Let's do this one. Now I have, what's this called? Cover image. Cover image. Save, export. Perfect. Now I could upload the cover image should be in home, game dev, itch.io, cover image, select. It might be too small, maybe 2 lines is. I will see, I guess. Short description, tag line, HTML advising, no payments, upload files. So the build is the most important thing next. I would commit itch.io cover image and removed earliest early access commit. Now I want a second branch, I guess. So branch. Do I push this? Later, I guess. Create branch. It's itch build. itch.io build. So I on the branch. I should be able to publish. Let's change first. If I... Oh no, I'm an idiot. I didn't clean up. I do this back to normal here. 60, what is this? Okay, this one was what I wanted to remove. I make it complicated. I forgot how to switch branch. Didn't do it for so long. Checkout. Create branch, rename, delete, publish branch. Checkout to. Was it main? It's main. So fix. It's maybe, it's not quite a rollback, but it's move test. So just verify that it's now back to normal. It's die once. Okay, this could be bigger. Is there a reason it's so small? I don't know. I don't care. So now I switch back to... Didn't push it. I have my itch.io build. Now I want to merge branch, merge main. So I should have the change in game paint, which should mean I have a working version currently. And now I do some... Can I disable multiplayer? It's basically just the O button. I don't think I have a disable button here. Does any menu do something? There are also no save states. Okay, but doesn't matter. Can I say game multiplayer delay send? I don't think I have a flag. So let's make a disable flag for multiplayer, I guess. Game. No, maybe. Game model. Do I have multiplayer here? Multiplayer. At least here I can find it. Go to definition. Disabled is false. Oh no, it's a boolean. I cannot. It's normally, if I don't specify it, okay, now let's go to my main and game multiplayer disabled, no, disabled, I set it to true. And now I need to find all cases where I need to disable it and which is essentially just don't display the key and don't react to pressing it. Might be in Game Paint. And multiplayer. This I do not need. He has a WebSocket, but I have to disable it before. Should be enclosed internal stack text type and input type info. This is one case. And key info. Key code to UI action for each. Is taking it out easier? Good question. Because then it also cannot react. Go to definition. I'm unsure. Main key. Paint key text. Active on fill text. So I could check if text is it multiplayer? Also this is multiplayer. Do I have if game multiplayer disabled? If this is true and text is multiplayer, oh, it's e-action, e.action. And maybe here he could do, no? Oh, it keeps being multiplayer, I guess. Then I Continue, I guess. He's not happy. Or I return, I guess, because I'm in a lambda. Let's see. Didn't work. It's an action string. Multiplayer. Still failed. What did I... Multiplayer. Now I feel like I voted correctly. Connect to multiplayer. If I search for the string, it has a case. Here it is. Action is multiplayer. Okay, so I voted correctly. If disabled is true, and then multiplayer is the action I return, do not paint it. Disabled is true. Set it here. Both have to be correct. Guess I have to put a breakpoint in. One more try. No. I'm in game paint somewhere. Map paint, game paint somewhere. In pause paint, touch, move, control. Paint key info, here it is. Essentially here, isn't it? Don't see the code. He tells me he's still running. It's saved. So my assumption is I should restart. Maybe this branch switching broke it. But it worked with the other things. Paint key info. Paint key info. Game paint. Oops. Restart. Now it's in, now it's missing. Okay. But I still can press O, and this should also be prevented. And this is somewhere in... Maybe I can find it over here, input.player. Input touch should not have any... Only keyboard can join multiplayer. Player, game paint model. Might have not searched for the correct thing. Move keys, it is not. Action. really don't know. Is it a UI action? Yeah. And I am in case multiplayer. Now I should be able to Oh, it should be disabled. It was too fast. Did I break it? No. Okay. No multiplayer. Okay, so this is disabled. So far, so good. Next is sheet menus. So just settings. This will be game multiplayer disabled. I probably go just to game definition. Oh, this game. Or testing? Maybe it's in testing stuff. Debug menu disabled. It's a Boolean and it's optional. Test menus. Main. I would now tell test main game testing stuff. Testing. True. And now, can I even do this? Is it part of the index? I don't remember how I did it. So it's more a function I want to call, I guess, debug menu settings, because these exist and I fill them up. Okay, I do it differently. Pedaling backwards, remove this, this one action. So I could function disable test menu. No, not disable hide. Hide. Toggle. Toggle test menu and show display boolean. I don't export it. I need also the. Do I need anything? I need to check how I did it with more settings menu here, I guess. Tab category. Document element tab category. And these are debug. Okay. So I have. This is debug. The debug element, and I have tests. I have test element, and I need debug element Did I put in any classes? My cheat enable disable should do something. Load cheats, this one, let's check. Handle command. Play input checkbox name. I guess this is what I need to search for. Load sheets. Toggle sheets. This might be what I am searching. Get element by ID. Activate. Contains. Remove. Class list. Something around these lines, it feels like. So if interesting Boolean. This is true. If debug element he complains, it's possibly null. Do I want them to exist? Now I could return if debug. I will see later. Okay, this is an easy first fix. So if no, wait. Activate if display is false. I remove height, I add height, and height is, I would assume, is my thing I want. I will change it a bit. You are removed if first I need to check if I have it. And then I need to check one, oops. Did I fail? Something with brackets failed. Okay, here's the bracket which is missing. So if I'm displaying, if I have a debug element, else I don't need to check if need to check the debug element again. Wait, this doesn't need an extra. So test element. Same here. So if this debug element exists and it doesn't contain the class, I can add it in. The same for test element. And now I toggle test menu. Is it too fast? It says an error. What would I wanted to click? I messed up a bracket. Hopefully this was it. They're empty, but they're visible. So this is actually not what I want to hide. I forgot how I set it up. So this is a label. And I essentially just not the label, is it? Tab debug and tab test. Do I the content? It is the hide on, okay. Something is confusing me. This is a multiplayer menu, this is something else. Is label input content. I have the content in here. Okay, so I only need to hide the tabs, I believe. So try again, tab debug, tab test. I failed. What is now hidden? They have hide as a property. Display none. I have a higher. Interesting. There's also display hidden. No. Is there not something hidden? Visibility, border hidden, no. Visibility hidden. Cancel. I broke something. What did I break? So I had the problem. Visibility hidden didn't want to work. Visibility hidden. I mean, it's cursor. I think for a moment with hidden. Where did I put the hidden? And now I'm confused. Tab debug. Tab hide. Oh, okay. Visibility hidden. Let's try this one. Doesn't change anything. Still the white thingy. So it doesn't work because it is not the. Let's go to the CSS, I guess. What was it? Important? Was it this one? Now I have the problem that this is moved to the then let's make a class for hidden, which is visibility hidden. Display none is might not be the best naming here. I keep. Let's do this, it's more accurate. Okay. I can press this and they are not here. It's a strange white background, but this is fine, I guess. This will be interesting how it works in HIO, but I guess it will. Max paint player objects. Okay, but the rest is fine. This seems to work. Technically, this is something I can take over into the main thingy. Okay, these three things are fixed. So I would say I actually put in the main branch. If I do this, nothing is changed. Have these, okay. Let's go back to main branch. Check out to main. HIO, no. Disable options. Disable, test menu, disable options. Let's call it this way. Commit. I switch over to my HIO build again. Then I merge. Branch, merge, main. They're now in, and now I can put the disable options in, and this is now HIO build specific. And maybe the switching again confuses the watcher. What is he confused about? What? Unsafe attempt to load? I have no idea. Okay, but these two are disabled. This is done. I mean, my screen size is responsive. The responsive option is not part of the options I had here, is it? Embedded menu, auto detect. I think I don't have responsive option here. But okay, now I have this one. Now I want actually the build. I don't need the data necessarily. They're probably the biggest files. Let's find out how big is my project. Game dev. Public. Here should be everything. $11 megabyte, 12 megabyte, but probably most is here. 6 megabyte. 6 megabyte, interesting. Images probably. I have the X. Okay, properties. No, they are the smallest. What? Not open. The server is also not required. 5 megabyte code. Will be the client. Sounds a lot to me. But it will be compromised, so let's make fgamedev build. I have my HIO folder. So I want my build. I need a new folder. IO. Let's call it build. I need a second folder. Game dev. Public. I just copy everything over, I guess. I can delete the client. Delete the server. And images I can delete all XCF files. There should be some easier way to do it. Can I okay, now it's off. Okay, this was not the smartest, I guess. One by one. If I mess up, can I XCF? Okay, perfect. I shouldn't be able to mess this up. No, don't filter it. I lost where I am. Home. Game dev. So here I still have my XCF, and in my HIO I have the index, I have the images, I have the JavaScript client. And I have the styles. Okay, this could be it. Now I need to zip it. Do I zip the folder? Did it say anything? Where was it? Upload a zip file containing a game. There must be an index file in the zip. In the zip. I probably do it in the. So let's zip this one. Compress. Zip Hermes game. Wait. Okay, let's find out properties. It's not even a megabyte. Perfect. Upload file. He shows even hidden folders. Game dev. HIO build here. Open. While uploads are in progress. 1 megabyte shouldn't be too much. Is it a problem because I was not on this page for too long? Or is he uploading? Who knows, who knows? Please do not close this page while uploads are in progress. Okay, let's just hope it does it while I can do other things. Custom noun, download, install instruction. This text will be shown to someone when they are downloading a game through their browser. They are downloading if your game requires any library. I don't need comments. I mean, discussion board. Could probably change it later. Draft is saved. I probably have to wait for this to finish. This is probably a to-do. Or I can a description. I have a image. Roguelike game. Yes, how should I describe it? Roguelike game. Perfect, a roguelike game, but this is on the text. This is project stuffed with a lot of different just to try out stuff with a lot of different just to try them out. This is a I don't like that he takes forever. And here is no bar starting. So something is broken, I guess. This does not make sense to me. Stuffed with a lot of different ideas. This was a playground for me as a developer to try out different ideas for games. It is rough around of edges, fully still fun. Who don't mind this? I think this is a fair description. No, this is still confusing me. Let's see what happens if I save your page. We seem to be having server problems right now. Please try again later. No! All my work. Okay, I just copy this. The rest is not too important. So something is off. Let's save this text somewhere here for now. I probably reload. Did he remember anything? No. Okay. Let's try again. Recent, select. Perfect. Upload files. Open. Got it. Okay, he wants a title before Helmi's game. Oh, before he didn't even do the Helmi's game part. Optional games, downloadable, HTML5. I probably have to select this. Released, on hold, no payments. Next try, open. Please verify. Oh, okay. Verify my email. Please verify your email. Click to verify my address. Everyone has been verified. Okay, can I now close this and just upload again? And it worked. Executable, what? But I am fixed on HTML. Other book, video, mod, graphical essay, audio, set, documentation. Let's call it executable. No, but I'm now confused because this is a browser game, so... Ah, here, okay. This file will be played in the browser. This makes sense. On hold. Again, I forgot what I did here around this. Let's find out. 1080. I wanted to try out. Mobile friendly, not really. Full screen button. Enable scroll bars. Oh, here I have my text. Do I have my text? Okay, no genre. Action was text is roguelike action 2D indie and no AI, no custom noun, no comments for now, draft now, save. Thanks for using itch.io. Welcome to the first project page. The description you would then use for the content of this page. You can customize the appearance of this page by opening email. Got it. Okay, one game. Did it crash? Does it load? Doesn't work. What are you doing? So something is not working. He cannot find my images. Is this everything? But he found my code. Let's find out. Where does he search for images and where does he search for... can I reload? Am I filtering on anything? No. He has put it all into a single file? Probably he put something around it. Now how do I access images? Reactmin. No, he doesn't complain. Because I didn't play one. Okay, I'm an idiot. So, one game. Yes, he loads everything. So this he can access. But he doesn't get the images. So it has any... So this is forbidden because it's not the correct copy link address. I would assume I'm missing some part in between. If I... JS, probably this part, copy. Yes, okay, so why... Is it hard-coded? I don't remember how I do image loading. It's essentially the part in between missing. Image load, image load, image load. Load image, load image, load image. Image pass. So this is not correct. But it works for me. when I find an example for image pass. Snipe, did Snipe have? Yes, images sniper rifle. So this is essentially what he's doing. But there's a middle pass which is missing. Let's find out. ChatGPT, give me the fast answer. Copy. I want to publish my HTML canvas game on video, but I have loading images. The image where my game tries to load but they need to be so middle part in the URL gets lost. Can you help me fix this? Oh, it's a base path against the value for what do they actually have subdomains? So when new game tries to load, suppose interprets that it would cause yes correctly. Instead use relatives path if needed. Load from the same folder as the HTML file, so it's correctly resolved. Now I'm afraid if this doesn't work for my case, or if needed. What is the images? Okay. So let's go, I guess. First check sniper rifle, aim, and so this is a sniper. Still works. Load. PNG images. Sniper rifle. Okay, perfect. So this should be easy change. All I need to search is, oh, this is an ignore folder. Git ignore. Please ignore. This is HIO build. Thank you. Please. Oh, I think the I is a big I there. Yes, okay, perfect. Now I search for this one and I want to replace one by one. No, I can make it more precise. Images. It's all images first, so it is I can break it. Images. This looks promising. Replace all. Perfect, perfect. Now reload. Now each C. Not happy. $500 errors. What happened? He watches this. Oh my god. You should only look into the source folder. What are you doing? TypeScript. The tsconfig. I don't have a root, I guess. I think it should be in here. Root dear source. You should ignore this. But it should still run, shouldn't it? When we load. Should have. Okay, first look, it looks like everything is in. Okay, I hope. Spellmaker. Okay, this looks like it worked. So this is also something I can take over. I have to think a bit. I did make the branch, but maybe it will not be necessary. Fix image pass to relative. Okay, commit. I need to get the errors. Matched by default include pattern. This file is in the program because include pattern. Default include pattern. Why is it? Oh dear. Include pattern. What? No. Let's run again, but I think he will throw these errors again. Looks like it. So this will be most likely fixed. I have another problem. My TypeScript throws errors of type. No, this is not my error. Didn't copy it properly. Copy. How do I disable this default? default include pattern. Probably it's just include, okay. Mir treibst du your actual source folder. Does he need this? Minimal fix. Don't understand this. But it's the source, so it should work. Root dir, let's put it with here. I might need to restart it. Didn't work? Not sure if it worked or not. I will see soon. Exactly, doesn't he look through my entire node folders with this? File. He still looks into it. Not white. So it will over input file. He's still not liking the HIO. Why do you want to write this? I mean, I will put the exclude in, but I'm confused. It's to have a waypoint probably. HIO. Still somehow wanting to work on this thingy. Why? Because I'm now somewhere else? I am so confused. Let's do this version also again. No. Unknown compiler option include, unknown compiler option exclude. Is it not? Is it made up? Wait. I'm now totally confused. Yes, it's indeed not existence in here. What do I have? Oh dear. But it should be something like include. He complained about it. I'm so confused. And it worked before. I'm so... Gutierrez sauce. I can... doesn't do anything. Copy. That was my time. Even I reached my target time. Would be interested to get this fixed. I get a message for include and exclude. The compiler options. It's outside. Okay, now I getting somewhere. Include. Maybe the exclude will be the easiest thing, even though no, I need a comma here. A non-compiler option exclude. What? I still have them in. Okay. But my exclude didn't work out. Perfect. Let's try this one. Not looking good. Oh, it's looking good. But I don't understand. Source, one back, and then everything. I just hope it works. Not what I wanted to reload. Not what I want to reload. This is what I want to reload. I have to hope he builds it. Okay, first it looks fine. I need to... So here I am in my public. I changed mostly JS stuff, so I should throw the entire client over again, I guess. Delete you. Where are you here? Why did you switch to recent? What? Here. Copy over. This should be the new... I should be able to... look into this once, I guess. And image. Okay, this looks correct. Don't filter on S. Go up again. Client.js HROLT here. You are gone. And I zip this again, I hope. Did I change anything else? Config doesn't matter. Should be correct. Compress. Helmi's game. Wait. Okay, now I want to upload a new version. A dashboard. Here. No. Did upload file. Just be sure go in HIO one more time. HIO build zip open. And I probably have to save. Saved. Now dashboard. I click here. Loading game for the first time. It loads. I can zoom. Now can play. I have so this is basically an iframe, but it looks like it works decently. I can also click stuff here. Volume. Disable. Does the cursor work? The cursor doesn't work. Interesting. Doesn't work in an iframe. Does it work if I go full screen? Also not sad. What? Why is this as a dismiss? It has to do something with the cursor, I guess. So I might need to take out this option, or I find. But should I continue today, or I have tomorrow too? So until now it feels like it works. Disable damage numbers. Alpha multiplier, let's go to 50, just see. I never tried it. So far, so good. So these images are not affected, but they should be, shouldn't they? Would be better if they are, I guess. Essentially, it's a small bug. They're also not affected. Maybe this was intentional. Pets are not affected. This is also intentional. This is also okay. This is affected. Oh, this is okay. Spellmaker. The making is not. How to upgrade? I never used it. Let's see if it still works. I cannot cheat. Okay, I have to play until First boss. This was incorrect aiming. Interesting. This seems fine. It's killed something, and I don't know what. Fireline, it is, okay. But I guess, how do I exit? Escape is... Now the problem is this is a fixed... Secret URL did seem comments. Okay, I guess essentially it's a fine start. I have now my HIO. It seems in the iframe to work just as fine. I can probably tomorrow make notes. This is done. This is done. This is done. I have a custom mouse icon does not work in iframe of HIO. So I can check if this is true. I have check other HIO options. Maybe make discussion forum, which IO gives as an option. I could also check if HIO something for multiplayer. The browser can be a server. This it still needs. I will find out. Okay, I think these are the tasks for next time. Just gs config to ignore. Why did it even care for these? Wait. Do I have my... Was this only JS files? There are no mapping or TypeScript files. This should be fine. Test-config to ignore HIO build. So I can push this, publish this branch. Will not trigger any, and I should probably doing changes of HIO over to main branch, question mark. I guess that's it. Okay, I come to an end for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. The end.